Hello everybody, I welcome you all to our channel Regalia, and today I wanted to tell you all that Regalia has come up with a new plant science mock bundle in which we are going to prepare you all for the upcoming ICAR JRF examination. Also, I would like to tell you that the ICAR JRF examination could be held anytime in between August 1st or 2nd week. Seeing the previous year COVID pandemic, it was held in the month of September, so we can hope that this year it could fall in the month of August itself. So I think you should all gear up with your preparation now, and for that we have come up with this fantastic plant science mock test series. So without wasting much of your time, let's hop into the main content of the video. Now, here are some of the salient features. First is that it is based on the current pattern. Okay, now what is the current pattern? As you all know that first of all 120 questions are asked in the examinations now. Second, assertion reason type. Then comes the match the column. Okay, then long statement or long objective questions and short questions. Okay, and these combine to form 120 questions. Paper is of 2 hours. Now there will be 4 mocks in a week. What we have planned right now is, like, we will go with MW, F and S. S is Sunday. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Sunday will be a mega test for you all. Mega test on Sundays, like we have mentioned. And after that, whatever you will learn in Monday, Wednesday, Friday, there will be a combined test for that on Sunday itself. Okay, now there will be subject wise mock test. Like, for example, on Monday there is genetics, so on Wednesday it will be breeding, on Friday it will be pathology, and so on. Strategy to crack the exam. So as I had told you earlier, it's not a mock test series itself, it's a bundle. So what you will get here is, the faculty members will tell you how to crack the exam. There will be a session for you all in which we will tell you how to crack the examination. Then there will be a doubt solving. Okay, doubt solving by faculty members. Then the last is general agriculture mocks. Now you all very well know that if you had seen the previous year paper or the 2020 paper, you might have seen one thing, that general agriculture is asked like about 2 to 3 or sometimes 5 questions appear in the examinations. And what is covered in general agriculture, I'll tell you, like soil science. Okay, last year question came from soil science. Then you will find questions from ecology itself, biodiversity. Okay, also entomology part is covered. So general agriculture forms a major portion, and test series based on general agriculture will also be taken in this bundle. Then we will see the validity. Now the date of commencement is 4th April, so the test series will start from 4th April itself, and we will try to complete it by the 31st June or the 1st of July. It will be completed, so that after that we are planning to start a crash course series. Okay, a crash course series for you all, in which there will be mega test, doubt sessions or lectures, everything. And those students who will be a part of this mock bundle will definitely get some advantage in that crash course series. So it's better that you first join this mock test bundle. Okay, now fee structure, it's very reasonable, so that everyone can take part in it. It's just 350 rupees for first 100 members and 400 rupee thereafter. Okay, so after 100 plus members, the fee will increase to 400 rupees. Now this is a poster. In this poster, as you can see, these all points have covered earlier. Okay, the starting date is 4th of April itself, end date 31st June. Price you already know. Payment details is very important, because this test is completely paid one. It's not free of cost. So you'll have to make a payment of rupees 350 on this given number 9889, and the gateway available is PhonePe, GPay, Paytm and Amazon Pay. Okay, so you can pay through Amazon also, as well as after the payment, just send a screenshot on this given number, and once you will send the screenshot, that particular faculty member will provide you a Wise class ID. Okay, so the paper is conducted on Wise platform, and you will get a Wise class ID, after which you can join the classroom. So this was the end of the video, guys. And if you really like the video, if you really want to join this test series, so just don't wait for that, because the exam is nearing. And if you want to reach a good rank, because competition is very stiff, it's very tough, so I will recommend you to just join the test series as soon as possible. And bye bye, I'll meet you in the next video.